Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best fence post repair bracket is probably one of the most important yet often overlooked components for maintaining a sturdy and beautiful fence. This video will guide you through everything you need to know about choosing the right repair bracket, ensuring your fence remains strong and secure for years to come. From understanding the different types of brackets available to the installation process and the factors to consider when making your purchase decision, we will cover it all. Number 5. Post Buddy Repair Kit. Tired of broken fence posts? Post Buddy offers a quick and easy solution. It saves you time and effort, so you can get back to enjoying your yard. It's incredibly simple to install. No digging is required, saving you hours of hard work. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can fix those broken posts. The unique design ensures it won't pull out of the ground. Its strong grip provides maximum stability and long-lasting support for your fence. Made from heavy-duty steel, it's built to last for years. It's strong yet flexible, able to withstand various weather conditions. It works on any size or shape of concreted-in fence post, even those hard-to-reach ones. It's the perfect solution for all your fence repair needs. Repair your fence posts yourself and save money. It's much more affordable than replacing your entire fence or hiring a contractor. Each kit contains 2 stakes to repair one broken post. Larger, discounted packs are also available for bigger jobs. What we like. It boasts a unique design for superior grip and can't be pulled out. This is a budget-friendly solution, saving you money compared to replacing your fence. If you need to repair multiple posts on a budget, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. So easy to use. The post I repaired was actually broken completely off from the cement. I used 3 of these to secure it back on. These worked perfectly and were super easy to do. A badly rotted post at ground level was easily repaired with 4 post buddies. Saved me time and money from having to buy a new post. Post is nice and sturdy now. It does a great job of restoring fence posts to usable condition. I have an extra set on hand for the next time I need it. Number 4. Post Buddy Repair Kit. Tired of broken fence posts? Post Buddy offers a quick and easy solution. It's the simple, effective way to repair your fence. No digging required. It saves you hours of hard work. Simply install it and get back to enjoying your yard. Its unique design provides maximum grip, ensuring it won't pull out of the ground. It's built to last. Made from heavy-duty steel, it's strong yet flexible. This ensures years of reliable service, protecting your investment. It repairs any size or shape of concreted-in fence post, even in hard-to-reach areas. It's the ultimate solution for all your fence post repair needs. Save money by repairing your fence yourself. It's much cheaper than replacement or hiring a contractor. Get the value you deserve. Each kit contains everything you need to repair 4 broken posts. 2 stakes per post make the job simple and efficient. What we like. It's incredibly efficient and saves you time and effort. Its strong, long-lasting design ensures your fence remains stable for years. If you have many posts to fix and want a long-term solution, this is the best option for you. What people say. So easy to use. The post I repaired was actually broken completely off from the cement. I used 3 of these to secure it back on. These worked perfectly and were super easy to do. A badly rotted post at ground level was easily repaired with 4 post buddies. Saved me time and money from having to buy a new post. Post is nice and sturdy now. It does a great job of restoring fence posts to usable condition. I have an extra set on hand for the next time I need it. Number 3. Post Buddy Repair Kit. Say goodbye to broken fence posts. This simple kit makes repairs quick and easy, saving you time and money. It's the original, simple solution for fixing fence posts. No digging is required, you'll save hours of hard work. The unique design ensures maximum grip, so it won't pull out of the ground. It's incredibly effective at stabilizing your fence. Made from heavy-duty steel, it's strong yet flexible and built to last for years. It's a long-term solution for your fence problems. It repairs any size or shape of concreted-in fence post, even in hard-to-reach areas. It's the perfect solution for any fence repair. Repair your broken posts yourself for a fraction of the cost of replacement or hiring a contractor. It's the smart and economical choice. Each kit contains 2 stakes to repair 1 broken fence post. Larger, discounted packs are also available for bigger jobs. What we like. It's quick to install and provides a strong, secure repair. It works on various post sizes and shapes, making it adaptable to different situations. If you only have 1 post to repair, this is the most economical option for you. What people say. They aren't thin or weak as you might think, 1 4-inch thick metal flat bar that is coated in weatherproof material. They have pre-drilled holes in them and work pretty good. Very easy to install and it works. The post is still holding the fence tight since I hammered down that stick. Great product. Simple to install, I waited until after a rain to install. My post is now secure and not leaning at all. This product does the job. Number 2. Steel Fence Post Repair Kit. Repairing your fence has never been easier. This kit provides all the necessary components for a strong and lasting fix. It's built to last. The high-quality steel ensures it can withstand the elements and provide long-term support for your fence posts. This kit is designed for simple installation, even for DIY enthusiasts. You'll have your fence looking great in no time. Everything you need is included. No more trips to the hardware store for missing parts. Strengthen your fence and protect your property. Order your steel fence post repair kit today. Please note that due to weight restrictions, we kindly request that you order no more than 5 kits per order. What we like. It is made of strong steel, ensuring a long-lasting repair. It is simple to install, making it a convenient choice for DIY projects. If you are looking for a simple and durable solution, this is the one for you. What people say. The post-up design is perfect for bypassing the cement and running into the ground about 6 or 7 inches out. It was a loud project but didn't take more than 5 minutes to position it into moist ground by myself. Another 5 to 10 minutes and the holes were drilled and the bolts run in. It blends right in with the black gate hardware and is flush with the ground and post. The post-up and dirt had a tiny bit of give, so I was able to repeatedly tug the top of the post-up from the side to get it to line up better with the fence post before drilling holes and screwing in the bolts. I used tent stakes and twine to get tension on the fence post and fence section so that the post sat upright before I put the post up in the ground. Number 1. Simpson Strong Tie FPBM 44E. Is one of your 4x4 wood posts damaged or rotted? This mender plate makes repairs simple and strong, saving you time and effort. It's designed for easy installation, even in concrete or dirt. No need to replace the entire post. This plate reinforces the weakened wood post without the need for extensive replacement. It's a cost-effective solution. For best results, use these plates in pairs for optimal support and stability. They are sold individually for your convenience. Made from 12-gauge steel with a black powder-coated finish, it offers superior strength and weather resistance. It's built to last. It's approved for use with strong drive SD connector screws, ensuring a secure and reliable connection. This guarantees a professional-looking finish. What we like. It easily reinforces damaged 4x4 wood posts without complete replacement. It's made from heavy-duty steel for lasting strength and stability. If you need to repair 4x4 posts and want a professional-grade solution, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The instructions call for 1 each side, and the first, and so far, only, post that I fixed with these had no access on the far side. So I installed one on my side. I used a sledge on the striking surface, and whacked it with the flat side of an axe. It went in very slowly, but when it was in and the pose was plumb again, I enlarged the screw holes and installed 4x212 lag screws, after drilling the holes larger in the steel and drilling pilot holes into the wood. To my surprise, the fence post now feels very sturdy, before it was ready to fall over. They straightened and strengthened several 4x4 posts, and so far I have only installed on one side. Used to fix a snapped 5 feet above ground 4x4 post with a lot of glue, while using the supplied bolt hole, drilling a properly aligned matching hole through the post and 5 inches steel bolt to keep the two pieces firmly together. Now stronger than ever. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.